In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme on BigCommerce. By the end, you'll know how to find a theme, tailor it to your brand, preview it across devices, and publish it with confidence. Start by logging into your BigCommerce dashboard using your store's admin login. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Storefront, then choose Theme Marketplace. This is where you'll see all the available free and paid themes. Take a moment to filter your options by things like industry, layout style, the size of your product catalog, or specific functionality so you're only looking at themes designed for your needs. Click any theme to dive deeper. Use the demo to get a feel for the overall look and navigation. Review the feature list and preview how it behaves on mobile and tablet. Try to imagine your products, your imagery, and your brand voice in that framework. When a theme stands out, click Select Theme, then choose Add Theme. This adds it to your My Themes area, but it won't change your live store yet, which means you can safely work on it behind the scenes. Next, head to Storefront and open My Themes. Find the new theme and click Customize to launch Page Builder. Here's where you bring it to life. Update your homepage layout and banners, set your fonts and brand colors, and refine the header, footer, buttons, and spacing. Keep your brand guidelines in mind and aim for consistency. A good tip is to check the visibility and size of key elements like your logo, search, and cart icon. Make sure your buttons are clear and contrast well with the background and that spacing feels comfortable so content is easy to scan. When you're happy with those changes, use Preview and Page Builder to test how everything looks on desktop, mobile, and tablet. Click through common customer paths like your homepage to a category, then a product page, and into the cart. Confirm that images are crisp, menus are easy to use, and text is legible on smaller screens. If something feels off, hop back into Customize and Refine. When you're ready to go live, return to Storefront, open My Themes, and click Publish under your new theme. Confirm the prompt, and your Storefront will switch over immediately. Finally, consider keeping your previous theme as a backup. BigCommerce lets you retain it in My Themes, which is useful if you want to switch back quickly while you experiment or run seasonal designs. That's it. You've changed your BigCommerce theme the smart way.